Whether you're balancing the family budget or writing your first novel, you'll need modern tools that work the way you do. Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 fits those needs with enhanced features across Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, which deliver the tools you need to stay organized, work together in groups, and easily create awe-inspiring content that makes you stand out with friends and family. Enjoy peace of mind and stay organized with Autosave, a feature that lets you work and share across Office apps with confidence, knowing your hard work won't be lost. Track and organize your life with Office Home and Student's new tools and updated features. In Excel, build spreadsheets using fewer, more robust formulas that update as information changes. Create with confidence using a wide range of new graphics, icons, and animated GIFs. You'll find everything fast with improved navigation features and search functions. Work together seamlessly in the same document at the same time. There's no need to send notes or emails because everyone will be notified when a file is updated, shared, or they're mentioned in it. Office Home and Student delivers the features you need to move life forward. It's your office, modernized.